Hi, I'm Pedro Placencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today, we're just outside of the city of Paso Robles for a tour of this home in the lakefront community of Heritage Ranch. Let's go have a look. So today we are at 2964 Waterview Drive to take a look at this manufactured home. It is on a permanent foundation and has this huge carport. The home sits on a corner lot and features easy maintenance landscaping throughout. These are really pretty shade trees across the front. They lead us right to the entry door and provide great privacy from the street. Let's have a look inside. You step right into the family room. You can see there's a wood burning stove, big windows to let in natural light. There are built-ins throughout the home, including next to the fireplace. You have a wet bar right next to the kitchen with this pass-through window. To the left of the front door as you come in, you have another living space here, which opens right up to the dining area. I love the combination of these large windows, the light colored ceilings with open beam effect, and very well cared for wood finishes. The kitchen is really spacious, good sized counters. Here we have a breakfast nook. And we have another angle of the kitchen where you can see how open it is to the living area through this pass-through window and into the family room. Let's head on over into the primary bedroom suite. Again, we have good sized windows here. Very clean and roomy. We have a walk-in closet and a master bath. The ensuite bathroom features double sinks, a large mirror, and a really nice soaking tub. It also includes a walk-in shower. The home has a split floor plan, so the primary suite's on one end of the home, and the second bedroom is on this side. This is a good size guest bedroom, and it even has a pet door to the back patio. Very conveniently, right next to the bedroom is a full bath. This full bath also opens to the laundry room and kitchen area. Where you can also come in from the carport. Being that Heritage Ranch is a lakefront community, this huge carport is really impressive. You can fit several vehicles in it or boats. There's space for side-by-sides and a storage shed at the very back here. This is a great space to store all your lake toys. The layout of this home and lot is really good. Lots of parking. You have street parking, the carport, of course, and then additional parking off to the side here. And we can't forget, this is a really cool covered deck with really nice views. If you'd like to learn more about this home and others like it on the Central Coast, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.